we've got some leaks, some rumors, some news to talk about surrounding an Apple Watch in a circled version. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you guys know, Apple patented a round watch, which is of course the Apple Watch, over like 1 or 2 years ago. So it's more than clear that Apple has been working on a circled Apple Watch. So rumors are saying that a round Apple Watch will not happen in the Apple Watch Series 4, but it can definitely really happen in the Apple Watch Series 5, which is honestly what I'm thinking. But anyways, Apple could really surprise us anytime now. Now, could it actually work? Could a round Apple Watch actually happen? Well, there's actually a lot of YouTubers and a lot of people online that are saying no, that a round Apple Watch will not happen because the Apple Watch is meant to be squared. Now, to be honest, I don't agree with that at all. Of course, Apple could make anything happen. I mean, it's just a matter of changing watch OS. And everybody's saying no, Apple is just sticking to a squared Apple Watch. It's just a matter of an update of making everything look nice design-wise, and I think it'd be ready to go. Now, for those of you who are worried about Apple discontinuing the normal Apple Watch, the rectangle Apple Watch, don't worry guys, because of course, Apple will not discontinue their original Apple Watch. Don't worry. What I think is going to happen is Apple will release a round Apple Watch, same as like an Apple Watch Edition or an Apple Watch Hermes. There would be different models. So there would be, for example, Apple Watch Hermes in a round option or a squared option. Same with the Nike one, same with the Apple Watch in steel, same with the Apple Watch in aluminum. That's what I think is going to happen. Now, here's my take on this. Should Apple release a round-faced Apple Watch? My opinion is like yes. My friend actually has a Gear S2 or Gear S3. I forget, but he was showing me yesterday what I can do. I actually took some shots, and here they are. He showed me the weather, for example, the weather app. It looks beautiful in a round watch. He also showed me the calendar, which also looked great. And take a look at this, which by the way, I had no idea was available. Spotify is actually available on Samsung smartwatches. Now, Spotify, if you're watching this, what are you waiting for? I mean, it's good that you're not releasing it for the Apple Watch. I guess people join Apple Music. Yes, Apple Music the best. Which, by the way, if you guys are not following me on Apple Music, links will be down below. But anyways, Spotify for the Apple Watch. When is it coming? Spotify, release it now. But anyways, he was showing me yesterday Spotify on the Gear S3 and it looked beautiful. The interface just looks so good. He also showed me the music player, which by the way, it was really cool because by simply, I don't really know what it's called, like the actual, he was swiping through the watch because the actual watch is like a crown that you can swipe. By simply swiping the actual watch, you can actually lower the volume and turn it up. And the way that it's designed, the way that the actual volume turned, I think that was beautiful. And if Samsung can do it, Apple can definitely do this. I mean, if you think about it, there's a lot of apps on the Apple Watch and a lot of animations. For example, the activity app, whenever you release, whenever you complete a certain activity goal, you know those animations? Well, those would look amazing on a round Apple Watch. The Breathe app would look amazing on a round Apple Watch. And there's a lot of watch faces that are built for simply a round screen. So yes, Apple could definitely make this work. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for all the news that we know of the circular Apple Watch. If you guys enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Comment down below, what do you guys think of a round Apple Watch? Would you guys get the round Apple Watch? Would you stick with your squared Apple Watch? The renders that I've been playing from Everything Apple Pro, which by the way, if you guys haven't checked out his video, I will of course link it down below. The renders just look so good, and if Apple actually makes it look that good, and I'm sure Apple will make it even look much better than that, I'm excited. To be honest, I was one of those guys that I was like, no way, I will never buy a round Apple Watch. But now that I'm looking at these beautiful renders, I might get a round Apple Watch. I mean, oh, that looks good. If you want to support the channel and buy some awesome t-shirts or some awesome hoodies, make sure to check out appleworldclothing.com. Trust me, you won't regret it. So yeah guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.